guys, how are you? I hope you are all good and hope you are doing very well and very fantastic and innovative and something creative in life. Look, creativity is so important. So every day, just do something creative. Do just, paint something, sing something. Just do something. But creative and innovative you have to become. Look, if you will become a good creator, good creative, then you become a content, not a content creation. Every field you always have to free think, you always have to free choice, you always have to free opinion. About the about your house, about yourself and everything. So every I hope you are doing very well and very just imaginable and just extraordinary. Just become an extraordinary man in your life. I just want to wish for. So first of all, telling you that please like, share and subscribe my channel. And you know very well because why? Because I'm teaching about tense. And if you have seen my last video, then I talked about several tenses and verbs and make spelling to meaning to spelling and how we convert in sentence. I talked about. And if all I know all you are become want to be a very professional English speaker, and I know why. Because every job, every field, English is so important, English is necessary, everyone. And if we are looking in a 2025 and now 2025 is going gone and now 2026 is coming. So everyone know that English is so important and everyone has to become an English speaker, otherwise no option. Because now AI is coming, artificial intelligence taking every field. So without English speaker, how you will survive? So I know everyone wants to become a very good English speaker. And whatever you course you purchase in a market and whatever course you seen in this YouTube channel, all because of they just want to they sell you course to become Hindi to English, become they want you to sell their courses in a this kind of rupees. So otherwise how? But don't worry, if you really want to be a speaker, just be prepared. Just give at least a 20 or 30 minutes each and every day, so you become a very good English speaker. Not you always worry about that how gonna be each sentence convert in English. No, it's not. It's not too difficult to speak English. Once you subconsciously attach to this language, then you can automatically speak just like a Hindi. Whenever you speak in Hindi, you carry about the Paryavachi, the Vilom Shabd, the Sandhi Viched. I don't think so. You think, even you think about it. So just like you become this is Hindi. Once you attach to this language, once you become a fluently speaker, so just give at least a 20 or 30 minute. Look, you can easily see that my English speaking skill is so powerful and so fluent, but I am speaking slowly, so just my audience gonna understand. Because I know my audience gonna be kid, 15 or 20 student, 25 student. Even look, I recommend you that everyone has to student even when he is crossing in 100. Life is short and life is so simple. And if you really want to enjoy the life, if you really want to enjoy each and every moment, just all you have only one option: to become a student, become a good listener, become very humble, become always about surprise about the life, surprise about everything, become just experience the life. All I just want to know. So if you really want to experience life, you always be a student. Don't worry how age you are. Don't worry you are 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 17, 80, 90, 100. It's not big deal that how age you are. So always just prepare yourself, always be very humble, always be a very student. So always you become, whenever you when you are a good listener, everyone want to talk about you, everyone want to listen about you, everyone want to heard about you yourself. So it's very good, and it's a very extraordinary feeling. I mean, I can't describe that how I feel each and every day, just because I apply all these properties in my life. So I hope that all you are just admit yourself to these properties. And now we are talking about future tenses. Look, it's like present tense, past tense, and simple tense. It's not about that how you going talked about in future tense. It's just a normal thing. So I think you are right, I am thinking of you. It appeared as if they were going to kill us. You are looking good. Look, he is smelling the rose. Being ill, I could not come. Getting a job is easy nowadays. I think you are right. Look, this is a future tense. I think you are right. I am thinking of you. It appeared as if they were going to kill us. You are looking good. Look, he is smelling the rose. Being ill, I could not come. Getting a job is easy nowadays. In future tense, always just you have to take care about shall and will, that how gonna we use shall and will, and how gonna we use ing. Is the look, ing is the necessary thing, whatever in present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, you always worry about that how gonna we use shall and will. So is this the how you talked about? And I mean you have to make sentence in the future continuous. So just notice about two or three things. He will and using ing is so simple. I mean, I, we, you are use will, and we, us use shall, and ing is the important thing. And you just make whatever the sentence you want to make. I mean, I will come, I will go, I will stay here, I will come tomorrow, I will not come this, and you will go, you will go with them. This is shall we go. You are coming, I'll coming, why are you coming? Is this how you gonna use ing? I am going, he will going, he will gone. Look, this is how you gonna use will and shall in an ing. So I'm sure you are just liking my content, and it's a very important. If you and all I'm just saying, just give 15 or 20 minutes, just watch my every video every day. I uploaded one or two video. It's compulsory, one or two video every day I am uploading in my channel English Bolo Dil Se. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you will like, share and subscribe my channel, then I will make a more content. You look, I want to you become a very professional English speaker. I want you just speak like a fluent, just like a, I mean, make everyone surprised, no matter what kind of environment you are living, what kind of, yeah, what kind of people you are facing in your life. It doesn't matter. All, just ignore all the things. Just focus yourself and become a very proper English speaker. So I'm sure you understand my thing. So again, I'm telling you, just give at least 15 or 20 minutes each my video, and just practice yourself with a 10 or 15 minutes, and then you will become automatically, you want to see result in the next 6 months. So I'm sure. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.